The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification is one of the most sought-after cloud certifications, and for good reason. It validates your ability to design scalable, cost-effective cloud solutions. But preparation is key, and avoiding mistakes can be the difference between passing and retaking the exam. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 mistakes people make when preparing for this certification and giving you practical solutions to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1: neglecting hands-on practice. While it's tempting to stick to reading books or watching tutorials, nothing beats working directly in the AWS console. The exam isn't just about what you know, it's about how you apply that knowledge to real-world scenarios. Think of it this way: if you've never set up a VPC or configured IAM roles, it'll be tough to answer scenario-based questions. Cert Boosters practice tests are designed to replicate real-world challenges, helping you apply theoretical knowledge in a practical way. Many people dive into studying without first reviewing the AWS exam guide. This can lead to wasted time on irrelevant topics or overlooking critical concepts like designing high-availability architectures. Our practice tests align directly with the exam blueprint, so you're always focusing on the right areas. This means no more guesswork about what's important. You might know the definitions of EC2, S3 or RDS, but do you know when and why to use them? That's what the AWS SAAC03 exam is really testing. Our practice tests help bridge this gap by presenting scenario-based questions. You'll learn to evaluate the best solution based on cost, scalability, and security, exactly what AWS wants you to do. Mistake 4: skipping time management practice. The exam gives you 130 minutes to answer 65 questions. That might sound like plenty of time, but if you get stuck on a few tough questions, you could easily run out of time. Practicing with time tests helps you develop a strategy, know when to move on, how to eliminate wrong answers quickly, and how to come back to tricky questions without panicking. And finally, mistake 5: it's easy to feel discouraged when you get a question wrong, but this is actually where the most learning happens. Take the time to understand the reasoning behind each answer. Our practice tests provide detailed explanations for every question, so you're not just memorizing answers, you're building a deeper understanding of AWS concepts. These are the top 5 mistakes that can trip you up when preparing for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. But now that you know them, you're already ahead of the game. Good luck with your AWS certification journey, and remember, success comes from preparation and persistence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AWS tips, and let us know in the comments. What other certification exams are you preparing for, or what problems and concerns do you have about your study process? We'd love to hear from you, and we'll create a video to help address those challenges. See you in the next video.